Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for garlic butter shrimp. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1 pound of shrimp, either with or without shell, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 strands of green onions, these are chopped in half, 2 jalapeno peppers, 1/4 of an onion, 8 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning, a dash of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of butter. The first step is to season the shrimp. The first thing you want to do is make sure the shrimp is dry after rinsing. This is important because it allows the shrimp to soak in the seasoning better and to stick to the batter. Next, in a large bowl, we're going to add the 2 teaspoons of salt, the 2 teaspoons of sugar, the 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, the 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning, a dash of black pepper, and then you want to mix it around and wait for a bit for the shrimp to soak in all the flavors. While we wait for that, move on to step 2, which is to chop the ingredients. Start by chopping the green onions to your desired length. Next, dice the onion. For the jalapeno, cut the top of it, then slice it down the middle. Get rid of the seeds if you don't want it too spicy. Then cut it vertically into thirds and then into smaller pieces. Step 3 is to batter the shrimp. Spread the flour around, then coat each shrimp evenly. Step 4 is to deep fry the shrimp. Fill a pan or wok with about 1 cup of cooking oil, just enough to cover the shrimp. Dip a chopstick in to see if it bubbles, and if it does, then the oil is hot enough to start frying. Slowly add in the shrimp. You want to do this slowly and not touch it after putting it in so the flour can stick onto the shrimp. Shrimp cooks pretty quick, so after about 1 to 2 minutes, flip it to the other side. It is important to do multiple batches so the shrimp does not rub against each other and it may take off the flour. The last step is to stir fry the shrimp. Add in the 2 tablespoons of butter, move it around so it can melt, then add in all of the minced garlic. Stir until you get a nice golden brown color. Next, add in the chopped onions along with the chopped jalapenos. Add the shrimp and stir until all the ingredients are fused together. At this point, you want to turn off the heat, then add in the chopped green onions. Do one last mix, then it's ready to be served. Add the shrimp to a plate, then top it all off with more onions and jalapenos. And that's how you make garlic butter shrimp. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, it's your turn to get cooking.